Dreaming ako.
Yan, may magulat.
They will battle out to see who's the best in basketball game. But before we start this battle, I'll be dividing you into two groups. So all the girls will cheer for Sassy. Come on girls, let's cheer for Sassy. Sassy! Sassy!
Sassy!
How about for the boys? Let's cheer for Rocky! 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 Alright, girls ready? Trainers ready? Set! Go! There's Sassy! Come on guys! Let's go for Rocky! Trainer Vina! You lose this time. What can you say about that? Hold it. We want another race. She wants another race, Trainer Jelly.
Are you sure about that? Do you want Sassy to lose again?
Well, this time I guarantee you that Sassy will win.
Tama.
So what race do you have in mind?
I'm thinking about the ring race. What is the ring race? The first bird who can drop 3 rings into the pool that passes is the winner, and that is the ring race. So the ring race it shall be. Remember guys that boys already 1 point. So girls, let's cheer for Sassy to win this time. We'll be doing this again. This time our ring race. Ready, set, go!
Go, Sassy! Sassy!
Oh, what's happening? Sassy pick up the 3 rings and then
Ang galing! Ay,
Sassy!
Yay!
Trainer Jelly, what happened? 3 rings at the same time.
Hey, you guys cheated!
Oh, he thinks you cheated. No, we didn't cheat. Sassy used her brain. So it's true that girls are more intelligent than boys?
Yes!
A round of applause for Sassy and Rocky with Trainer Jelly and Trainer Pina.
Ginayon. May ana. Ang galing.
Parrots are particularly known to be intelligent and perceptive. That's why we continue to enhance their skills and not to get bored. Here's Sassy, our queen with Maho, and she will show us how intelligent she is by putting the shake back in the correct slot. Just like Sassy, Green Maho is from
Uy,
South
ang
America.
galing.
They're known to be the gentle giants of the parrot family. It is because they're the second largest next to the highest mammals.
Ang galing naman ni Sassy.
92 centimeter and length and can live up to 8 years old. And for the last shape, there you go, tell that right, around the Sassy between your feet.
Star Wars.
Now guys, who loves snacks? Everyone here's Snow Edition, right? Well, this next part of the program will leave people baffled in a maze. Even as trainers. Do you think birds can do that? But before we call in our mathematical wizard, I need 2 numbers between 1 to 15. So any numbers between 1 to 15? 7. The first number is number 7. How about the second number?
15.
Come on guys, second number, 10. So the second number is number 10. So the equation is 7 plus 10. But before we call in our mathematical wizard, Trainer Albert will shuffle the numbers. 7 plus 10. Ready? Now let's call in our hybrid Maho, Rocky! Look at that, what a beautiful entrance! Is Rock ready? Go Rocky, solve the equation for us. 7 plus 10. Hey! Correct! How about the second number? Well, Rocky loves numbers.
7, 7, 7. B7, hindi. 7, B7.
And he gets the number 7. So 7 plus 10 equals 2. 17. A round of applause for Rocky with Trainer Albert. This time, I need a volunteer with 500 flashy, colorful, and musically inclined. They have good memory and can remember even the smallest details. Hello, ma'am. Good afternoon. Welcome to Manila Ocean Park. What's your name? I'm Iva. How about a round of applause for Miss Iva? Okay, now can I have your money? Please follow me. So all you have to do is stand right here, face it this way, and extend your left arm just like this. Okay, then I will put your money between your fingers. So, ma'am, do you know what will happen next? Any idea? Let's see. Now, let's call in our money bird, Buddy. Buddy flies over. Oh, he gets the money and flies back. And I Buddy will donate the money. A round of applause for Connor.
Donate.
Question. Did you know that Manila Ocean Park is also a rescue center for birds? No. Well, now we know your money will go a long, long way and we're very grateful. Thank you so much. You may now back to your seat and enjoy the rest of the show. Thank you. How about 1,000 pesos this time? Ano? Ako na. Miss Aiba. Mom, are you okay? You're sure? You look so sad. Mom, we're just kidding. Mom, it's a part of the show. Please come back here in front and we will give your money back. Yes, buddy. Miss Iva, Buddy say something. Before Buddy gives your money, he wants to give you a kiss. Is that okay? Okay, all you have to do is stand right here, look at the camera, and offer your cheek. Nice! Sweet. How about on your hand? Please open your palm, look at the camera, and smile. Alright, here's your money. A round of applause for our lucky volunteer. Now that you've seen our colorful and intelligent parrots, we would like to show you another species of bird here at Manila Ocean Park. Birds of prey, also known as raptors, hunt and feed by other animals. The term raptor is came from the Latin word rapere, meaning to seize or take by force. These birds are characterized by their keen vision that allows them to detect prey during flight. They also have powerful talons and beaks. Ladies and gentlemen, please look at the back, presenting our Philippine Eagle Owl. Here comes home! Scientific name is Bubon viridensis. These birds can be found in Bohol, Samar, Leyte, Cabanatuanes, and possibly in Sibuyan. And as you can see, we have our Rabbit Guy. Here comes Shadow. Rabbit Guy, also known as the Jasper's Eagles, one of our 146 species of birds of prey around the world. These birds can be found in India, Indonesia, Bangladesh, Pakistan, along China, including here in Philippines. They locally known as Lawin or Balog in Visayas region. And as you can see, we have our homing pigeons. Homing pigeons has a native homing ability. They are generally termed to its nest and game. A round of applause for our raptors and our homing pigeons. Here in Manila Ocean Park, we believe that there is hope. We only not trying to make your friends in the sea, but also in land and air as well. Now, who knows the triggers? It's reduce, and recycle versus once again. Here's our double version. The raptor waste disposal.
Ang galing!
Let's go, buddy.
Wow, grabe!
Very good. Easy, right? If the birds can do it, so can we. Ladies and gentlemen, we hope you enjoy our show. Are the birds spectacular? Well, amphibian extinction. Please, let's do our part in saving the world. Because remember, this is the only hope we've got. Now let me present to you the personal trainers who will make the show possible. Trainer Albert with body.